Yeah. Well, the other thing might be, because you're becoming a YouTube channel and you're growing every month, right? Hopefully. And so I know that there's always like these people on YouTube that have started their YouTube as an aid, as a side thing, as a way to get, tell their customers what they're doing, or maybe give instructional videos, how to use their products, and then eventually the channel grows, and then that like eventually they pitch into like, oh, this is like a real thing. This is like a real business, just making videos, making content, providing answers to people with questions. Probably like it becomes like the thing. And I've seen quite a bit of few people that have made that shift. They're like, oh, this is turned out to be the main thing when it used to not be the main thing. Do you think that would ever go like that for you, or?
Yeah, man. Like I've been thinking about that. So my background is in video production. That's what I studied in school. Not presentations, not tech, not entrepreneurship, video production. So it's a weird coincidence, I guess, or maybe not, that I found myself back on YouTube, back doing this thing that I like to do.
Uh-huh.
Um,
And maybe that's why, because you're like, I'd sign up for it. Yeah, yes, I'll do the presentations in front of camera,
right,
right?
right.
Wait,
So
by the way, you're great at it. Like, you're so natural at it. I know that you talked about the format where you have a teleprompter and you have very well scripted, very well researched scripts, right? And then you tell the story, and then it gets overlaid by very good B-roll in the back, and the story. Great storytelling, right? I mean, it's good content. That's why people like us are watching it, because you're good at it.